Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see liked posts on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to see liked posts on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your small profile picture icon. At the bottom right, tap on that, and over here on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three lined icons, and over here again scroll down, you can see your activity option available for us just below the archive, and tap on your activity. And over here guys, you can see the first option where it says the likes. Under the category of interactions, tap on likes, and all of your liked posts will be over here guys. You can see your content types, you can see the dates, and you can see from newest to oldest over here guys. And with that being done guys, this is how to see your liked posts on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.